All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the pasta creation. It's basically the rotini, the twisty ones, and I boiled them down, strained them, run them through the colander, and then I added some carbonara with bacon in it, and then I threw a couple of handfuls of this Colby Jack shredded cheese inside, let her melt down a little bit. Then I threw about 3 handfuls on top. So that's going to go in the oven. It's going to bake up. It's going to be absolutely luscious. So let me set this over here on the stove. Trying to get in the way of everything. All right. Grab this little beauty out of here. Red onion, beautiful thing. You're going to take the prep. You're going to take the end off this thing. We're going to take the other end off this thing. Okay. Just a little score down the side. We're going to remove this outer ring, which we really don't need for what I'm doing today. If you want to make some French onion soup, you might want to save that, but I'm not, so it is what it is. What I'm going to do, I'm going to slice me off a couple of rings. About like that. And remember the food processor, the microprocessor? It's got the asparagus in it. So we're going to take this, we're going to cut it up a little bit more. Absolutely using the wrong thing for that. Go back to the chopper. When I tell you these things are sharp, I ain't playing. I can feel just how smooth that edge really is. Take a couple of little pinches of that, throw it in there with that asparagus. I'll put the microprocessor lid back on it. To hit the chop up a little bit. You know, do that? I just shake the crap out of that thing. All right, smells good. We don't need the rest of this onion. Oh, we don't need the rest of this onion. Wee, that's an onion. I tell you what, that's an onion. I'm gonna throw this back down in here for them chickens. I know them chickens are like that. Do a couple of more spins. Grab my trusty box of toothpicks. Hey! Get your toothpicks at any old dollar store. That's a muddy rig, that's the one we saw.
Yeah, it was with Mikey and them.
So what we gonna do, I got me some of this here. It's basically your stovetop for chicken. I'm cheating a whole heck of a lot in here because, you know, it's okay. It's my channel. I can do that. Kudos to Stovetop for making a decent product. We're going to take this. So I think I'm going to take this. I'm going to dump this in here because my opinion is stovetop needs a little bit more asparagus and red onion. just like that. We'll mix this around in here a little bit. Now you're supposed to mix it with a fork, fluff it with a fork. Most of this is going to get jammed inside them there chicken boobies. So, mixed up a little bit like that. Beautiful thing. Smell. Oh, yeah, that's on. That's definitely on. We'll run you through a couple of these things. Put that lid back on there. Set them up over here so I can clean it. I'll clean it during the station break. Okay, what's going to happen? We're going to take a chicken breast. You're going to open up like this. We're probably going to trim that there fat off in there. I don't like fat. Not really against fat. I just care not to have it around. What kind of seasoning we want to throw in here? Let's do a little bit of McCormick Grill Mates. This is roasted herb and garlic. I got a Weber roasted herb and garlic. They're both pretty good. They're both quite similar. We take this and sprinkle it in. Sprinkle just a little bit on the inside here. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. We take some of this here. Or this is our secret stuffing material here. Secret carbs. Hidden carbs is what those are called. Yeah, that's it. Still a little bit warm. That's all right. We fold this over. Okay. Make sure it's all kind of stuffed in there like that. Okay. Wipe the hands off a little bit. Make the wife all mad at me for using her towels. Take some of these bacon strips. Like so. Lay these out. I figure, yeah, I don't know what I figure, how many I'll use, but I'm going to tuck that in there like that and bring this up like that. This is going to go around and around and around here. Probably two of them. Two of them per. I really don't know how to wrap chicken breasts in bacon. Can you tell? Reach in here, grab a toothpick, and go jabbity. And you grab another toothpick, kind of slide everything down over on the fat end, and go jabbity. All right, we're set. We have one that's prepared, pretty much, kind of. I'm gonna set it over here on this foil wrap sheet. And we're going to do it again. And we'll do that for all 6 of these. I do have Famous Dave's. Famous Dave's, you know, it's rib rub. But, you know, there's ribs and chicken breasts sometimes. So a couple of these is going to get the rib rub. I'll just sprinkle that over the top of all of them. Right across the top of the bacon on all of them. I'll show you that before I throw it in the oven. I'm going to cook it in the oven at about 400 to 425 degrees. I've got the pasta dish. It's going to go in there at 375, and it's going to come out. It's going to be done long before this chicken is, so it has time to set up and congeal. And the nice little crusty edge of the cheese around there, I'll be able to pick that off of there and eat some of it before everybody else gets to it. So let me finish up the rest of these, and I will get back to you. I do have a package of Italian dry salami that's thin sliced. I may throw some of those in here just for good measure. We never know. But I'll get right back with you. Hopefully there's going to be a cool looking fade in and fade out to these things. So I'll talk with you soon.